मुख्यमंत्री पद हेतु नाम आमंत्रित किए तो केवी सिंह देव जी ने सबसे पहले खड़े होकर मुख्यमंत्री पद के लिए श्री मोहन मांझी का नाम प्रस्तावित किया है। और इसके साथ ही सूरमा पाड़ी, रवि नारायण जी नायक, लक्ष्मण भाद और पृथ्वीराज जी हरिचंदन जी, इन सब सारे लोगों ने समर्थन किया और साथ ही साथ हमारे विधायक दल के सभी सम्मानित सदस्यों ने तालियां बजाकर इसका जो है स्वागत किया।
In a historic political shift, four-time Keonjhar MLA Mohan Manjhi has been selected as the Chief Minister of Odisha. Accompanying him in leadership roles, KV Singh Deo and Parvati Parida have been appointed as Deputy Chief Ministers. This announcement follows the Bharatiya Janata Party's landmark victory, where it secured a majority by winning 78 out of 147 seats in the recent state assembly elections. BJP's win marks the end of 24-year rule of Naveen Patnaik as the Chief Minister of the state. The BJP State Legislature unit convened on Tuesday to elect Manjhi, a prominent tribal leader, as the new Chief Minister. The decision came a week after the BJP's impressive electoral performance, which allowed the party to form the government on its own for the first time in Odisha's history. The party leadership dispatched Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Union Environment Minister Bhupender Yadav as observers to oversee the crucial BJP Legislature Party meeting in Bhubaneswar. The swearing-in ceremony is scheduled to take place at Janata Maidan in Bhubaneswar on Wednesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with top BJP leaders and chief ministers from BJP-ruled states, will be in attendance. Modi is expected to arrive in Bhubaneswar at 2:30 p.m. and will proceed to Raj Bhavan from the airport before attending the ceremony. Significant security measures have been implemented at the venue to ensure the event's smooth execution. Several dignitaries, including union ministers and chief ministers from other BJP-ruled states, are anticipated to attend the swearing-in of Odisha's new chief minister and his cabinet ministers. This development marks a significant milestone for the BJP in Odisha, showcasing the party's growing influence and commitment to leadership in the state. Mohan Manjhi's appointment as chief minister is particularly notable, given his tribal background, highlighting the party's dedication to inclusive governance. The BJP's electoral success was underscored by the distribution of seats. The Biju Janata Dal, that is BJD, won 51 seats, Congress secured 14, Independents took 3 seats, and the Communist Party of India Marxist, that is CPIM, secured 1 seat. The inauguration of Manjhi and his deputies sets the stage for a new chapter in Odisha's political landscape, with the BJP poised to implement its vision for the state's development and governance.